Welcome to the best picks. The best typewriter keyboard is probably one of the most unique accessories you can get for your iPad. It perfectly blends vintage aesthetics with modern functionality. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of iPad typewriter keyboards, exploring their design, features, and overall user experience to help you decide if this retro-inspired gadget is the right fit for your digital lifestyle. Number 5. MOFII Wireless Bluetooth Keyboard, Lipstick Colors. This keyboard features cute, removable round keys inspired by vintage typewriters. It offers a unique visual experience and a retro typing feel. With Bluetooth 5.1 technology, it ensures a fast and stable connection. You can easily switch between 3 devices without any interruptions. The keyboard automatically enters power-saving mode. It wakes up instantly when you press any key. A low battery indicator will alert you when it's time to replace the battery. It's the perfect choice for various devices, including iPads, iPhones, and Android smartphones. Make sure your device has Bluetooth connectivity to use it. Advanced Bluetooth technology provides a cable-free connection. It offers an effective operating distance of about 6 meters, giving you flexibility. What we like. This keyboard's colorful retro round keycaps give a unique visual enjoyment and retro feeling. It can connect to multiple devices at once, making it perfect for switching between your tablet, phone, and computer. If you are looking for a stylish and versatile keyboard that saves power, this is a great choice. What people say. The keys are responsive and have a nice feel, not too loud, but still satisfying to type on. Setup was super simple, just plugged it in, or connected via Bluetooth if yours is wireless, and it worked instantly. The keyboard feels nice and sturdy. It does not feel cheap. It has nubs on the bottom to keep it from slipping around. Number 4. RK KLUDGE RK838 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. This keyboard boasts a retro typewriter style with its unique round keycaps and floating key design. The circular grain keycaps add a touch of charm, making it a delightful addition to any desk. It's perfect as a gift. The RK pink switches provide a silent yet responsive typing experience. Ideal for various environments, this keyboard allows for easy switch replacement and keycap customization. You can tailor it to your exact preferences. With its compact 68-key layout, this keyboard saves space and is highly portable. It also includes quick access buttons for essential functions. This design eliminates the need to remember keyboard shortcuts. This keyboard offers 3 connectivity modes: USB-C wired, 2.4G wireless, and Bluetooth 5.1. It can connect to up to 4 devices simultaneously. You can easily switch between modes with the multifunction buttons. Featuring 16.8 million customizable RGB colors, this keyboard offers stunning lighting effects. It also supports RK KLUDGE software for easy key remapping. Customize it to match your style. What we like. The hot swappable switches allow you to customize the feel of your typing experience. Its compact layout saves space on your desk, and the RGB backlighting adds a touch of style. If you like to personalize your setup and enjoy a mechanical keyboard, you should consider this one. What people say. The keyboard is well built and feels sturdy. The keys have a satisfying tactile feel, making typing a pleasure. The design is sleek and modern, complementing the iPad's aesthetic. Number 3. ZYQM Retro Mechanical Wireless Keyboard. Introducing the ZYQM Retro Mechanical Wireless Keyboard. It features a classic retro typewriter design, bringing a touch of vintage charm to your desk. This keyboard combines aesthetics with modern functionality. This keyboard offers both Bluetooth wireless and USB wired connections. It's easy to connect, and the indicator light flashes during charging. You can choose the connection method that suits you best. It supports multiple systems, including iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac. You can connect up to 3 devices simultaneously and switch between them effortlessly. This feature significantly boosts your productivity. The keyboard comes with a built-in aluminum tablet stand. It's designed to hold your iPad or smartphone, making it convenient for multitasking. This stand enhances your overall workspace efficiency. Enjoy the steampunk dot buttons, designed with compound ergonomics for a comfortable feel. The keys provide a pleasant sound, enhancing your typing experience. It's a joy to create with this keyboard. The keyboard uses an automobile spraying process, ensuring the color is bright and long-lasting. It's designed to be both stylish and durable, making it a great addition to any setup. What we like. This keyboard features a classic retro typewriter design with a built-in tablet stand for convenience. It supports multiple systems, allowing you to connect to various devices. If you are looking for a keyboard that combines style and functionality, this is a great option. What people say. Beautiful retro keyboard. The connectivity is awesome and the keystroke does not have any lagging. The layout design is the closest to a classic typewriter compared to other options. The NUKEY keyboard is a brilliant blend of vintage charm and up-to-date functionality. Its typewriter-inspired design combined with high-quality mechanical switches offers a unique experience. Despite the nostalgic aesthetics, it doesn't fall short on modern features, including customizable RGB lighting, full N-key rollover, dedicated media control keys, and excellent compatibility with both Windows and macOS. With solid build quality, responsive keys, and a dual-wired and Bluetooth connection, it stands as a fantastic choice for those seeking style without sacrificing performance. Number 2. RYMEK Typewriter Mechanical Keyboard with Tablet Stand, White. This keyboard features a classic retro design, bringing a touch of nostalgia to your desk. It combines vintage aesthetics with modern functionality, making it a stylish addition to any setup. It is a perfect combination of classic and modern. It supports both Bluetooth wireless and USB wired connections, offering flexibility for all your needs. You can easily switch between devices or use it in any environment. This keyboard is designed for convenience. This keyboard works with Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android systems. You can connect it to your iPad Pro, iPhone, or other devices. It is designed to work with almost everything. Pair with up to 3 devices simultaneously and switch between them with shortcuts. This feature greatly increases your productivity. It is easy to use and very efficient. The LED dynamic backlight enhances your typing accuracy, especially at night. It also makes gaming more enjoyable. The light is very cool. The integrated tablet stand makes it easy and convenient to hold your iPad or smartphone. It keeps your devices in view and within reach. It is very convenient. The blue switch provides an audible click sound and excellent tactile bump feel. This feature enhances your typing experience. You will love it. What we like. With its classic retro design, this keyboard offers both Bluetooth wireless and USB wired connectivity. It can pair with up to 3 devices simultaneously, increasing your productivity. If you need a keyboard that combines classic aesthetics with modern convenience, this is the one for you. What people say. The setup and connection was very easy. I found the keys to be perfect, as I was looking for one that does make the wonderful click-clack. There are several light styles to choose from, or even the option to have no lights depending on your mood. Number 1. FELICON Retro Wireless Keyboard. This keyboard is compact and easy to carry with 84 round keys. Its fashionable shape is inspired by retro typewriters, featuring unique round keycaps. To connect, simply press FN+C to enter Bluetooth mode. The keyboard's button noise reduction technology minimizes key click sounds, providing a quiet and comfortable typing experience. It also boasts a long battery life, lasting about a week with regular use on a single charge. This keyboard features an intelligent sleep mode. If there's no activity for 15 minutes, it automatically goes to sleep and disconnects Bluetooth to conserve power. With 2.4 GHz wireless technology, the keyboard offers a fast and reliable connection up to 10 meters away, with minimal delays or dropouts. It includes 12 multimedia keys for convenient operation. The keyboard is compatible with Android, Windows, and iOS systems, with shortcut keys, FN+QWE, for easy system switching. What we like. This keyboard is compact and easy to carry, perfect for on-the-go use. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable typing, and the long-range wireless connection provides reliability. If you are looking for a portable and comfortable keyboard, this is a great choice. What people say. Also connecting it was a breeze as well. This keyboard is full size. It's like a regular full-size keyboard that has the number palette on the right chopped off. This keyboard connected seamlessly with my Android cell phone. My phone is a Google Pixel 6a. From the moment I put in the 2 AAA batteries that the keyboard requires, all I had to do was turn on my phone's Bluetooth and hold down FN+C for 2 seconds and it popped up on the Bluetooth list. I clicked on it to pair it with my phone and it was done. I couldn't believe that I didn't have any issues at all with pairing it. Great surprise. When I'm done using the keyboard, it automatically goes to sleep after 15 minutes of inactivity. When I want to use it again, I don't have to do anything. I just start typing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.